top of my head would be Boracay.
Boracay.
Top of mind sa akin. Madaling puntahan, tapos kahit pumunta ka mag-isa doon, alam mo may magagawa ka.
Do you go alone ba?
There was a time that I went alone. One day. Mga ganun.
Any dream vacation? Dream beach or place to go?
Dream place.
Or if you have time,
Gusto ko pumunta ng India. Hindi, sa Philippines ba pinag-usapan? Sa Philippines, saan ba?
I'm sure you went around na rin.
May magandang beach daw sa may sa may Holo eh. Sa may Sulu ba? Basta sa dulo. May magandang beach daw doon. So, gusto ko doon. Bukod sa exciting pumunta ron, bukod sa malayo, siguradong wala ka masyadong kasabay.
Saan ba yung mga beach na yung shoot nyo nila, Mar?
Sa Palawan yun sa Coron. Sobrang ganda rin.
Club Paradise.
Sa Club Paradise?
No. May 30-minute boat ride ka pa eh. Isang naked island.
Walang...
Nothing. Walang ilaw, walang May mga nakatayong kubo lang. Doon sa...
Near Club Paradise.
I don't know where Club
Or
Paradise
saan ba kayo
is.
nag-stay? Ang nasa Coron.
Hindi ko maalala eh. Hindi siya Club Paradise yata.
So talaga siguro...
Oo.
Hey, yeah. I was wondering nga kung saan yun. Kasi hindi familiar yung last.
Oo. Tapos, gusto ko rin sa malalamig na lugar eh. Tagaytay okay dahil magaling puntahan. Tapos pag dumating ka na doon, para ka rin wala sa Manila in a matter of just a little over an hour. So, masarap siya dahil kung gusto mo maka-escape mo. But unless, pag mas maganda kung may bahay ka doon, o condo, o kaya mga tipong woodland. Woodland ba yun? Ganda.
Sa Batanes, have you been to Batanes?
I think so. Pero pag shooting, manghirap kasi if I go to these places for work, I don't get to appreciate the place that much. Because siyempre, iba yung concentration mo, hindi ka rin relax because you're there to work. So, iba pa yung talaga pag umaalis ka at sasadyain mong puntahan siya just because you really want to enjoy the place.
So, will you run ba sa book run?
Most likely, yes. Hindi ko alam kung anong K. 3-5-10 yan eh. Pero pagkakaintindi ko, magsisimula sa 1K yan eh. So, may 1K daw eh.
Si Marian ba daw tatawag?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Secret.
Hindi sure eh. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin niya. Gusto niya kasi 21K, ayaw niya ng mga 10K. Masyado na. Hindi nga for her eh.
Sa'yo naman na siya dumere.
Ha?
Paikot.
Kaya niya.
Do you really run ba? Usually? Or...
Sa treadmill. Tsaka I love to run errands for the foundation. No. I tried running and running seems to like me. Pero not for that long.
Okay.
So no, for this one I will train.
Okay.
I will train my brain.
Can you share with our readers about the advocacy of Yes Pinoy?
Oo. Yes Pinoy kasi when we launched it, initially it aims to give scholarship to the dependents of the fallen Marines. So we wanted to start specific, we wanted to start small since yung resources namin maliit lang din bilang infant at growing foundation. So kaya namin tinayo itong book run is to generate funds and at the same time gather books para dun sa isang project ng Yes Pinoy bukod sa scholarship. Yun yung tinatawag naming Restore Paaralan that rehabilitates and rebuilds the libraries and schools that were destroyed by the recent calamities. So dahil doon, itong makukuha namin books, idodonate namin sa mga schools na yon. Yung pera makukuha namin, pwede namin ayusin ng konti yung mga libraries nila, yung mga classrooms nila. And at the same time, magagamit din namin yung funds for scholars ng itong parating na school year. We plan at least 10 for this school year.
Okay.
Kasi may 5 na, di ba? So, 5 pa.
Pero
yung
bakit,
pabukas.
ano?
Pero yung pabukas ito, tapos pakihalo na lang.
Okay talaga.
May pickles pa kayo? May pickles? Pickle relish. Pakipingin na lang sa isang platito yung pickle relish. Thank you. Pakitanggal yung oil.
Bakit Marines pala? Why Marines?
Marines,
Why is it
because
very special?
aside from the fact that I am part of their reservist unit, I believe na sila rin ang isa sa mga neglected sectors ng society. So, marami naman dyan din nagbibigay ng scholarship sa na nag-a-apply, pero ito mas specific mas screen mo siya ng gusto, mas attached sa para sa amin. So, I want to start from there. Pero it doesn't mean na malilimit lang kami doon. Resources and kung ano man yung strength ng foundation namin, that will determine kung hanggang saan kami pwedeng lumawak. Diba? Maaring from Marines can be the whole AFP. From the whole AFP, pwede kami mag street shield or whatever. So, we just have to start somewhere.
Finally, can you invite our Awesome Planet readers to run some brand?
Yes, Awesome Planet readers, I am inviting you to our book run 2010 that will be held in Fort Bonifacio High Street on January 31. Please be there at 5 a.m. I would highly advise you not to eat first. You can drink coffee and Bose coffee, that would be fine because it is free. And we will have bananas after, we will have Milo after, we will have probably ensaimadas after for you. And of course, we will have water. And of course, tuna. Breakfast would be best if you will run the 10K. Then, pagod na pagod kayo, pwede kayo mag-breakfast buffet bahala na kayo. Kanya-kanya na lang. Walang breakfast buffet doon. So mag-register kayo sa ROX anytime from 12 noon to 8 p.m. starting January 15. And you can register online through www.yespinoy.org. Hindi .com. Kasi yung .com, pagpapadala ka ng pera sa abroad. Okay? So yun. So thank you to you guys.
Alright.
And thank you.
Alright.
So,
Thanks.
yeah.